Hello. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good morning. Sana sulok tayo ng daigdig. Kamusta yung mga followers natin and subscriber? Narito ngayon tayo sa PGMC, Pension Gratuity Management Center, na kung saan ay sila yung nagmamanage sa aming retirement. Pasensya lang muna sa mga other followers ko from the international and other within the nation, dahil pinokus ko lang muna ito sa mga pensioner para naman na mabigyan natin ng importansya, kasi marami pang claims na hindi natatanggap ng ating mga veterano, na mga heroes, So minabuti ko na pasyalan ang PGMC at ako ay tinanggap ng commander ng PGMC, si Commodore Cases, isang general na talagang hinarap ako para gusto niyang iparating sa lahat ng mga pensioner. Hindi ko naitanong ang bilang, pero sa aking kaalaman nasa 140,000 ata ang mga veterano, mga heroes. So pag narinig nyo itong aking vlog, ay i-share nyo ng i-share para makarating lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga pensioner yung may tinatawag tayo kasing differential in Munis. Yung Munis kasi pamana yon, na ang ibig sabihin namatay na yung mag-asawa, ang natira anak, or walang anak, ang kapatid ay pwedeng kumuha, o relatives, any relatives na wala na talaga, sila ang pwedeng tumanggap. Kasi halimbawa, for example, walang anak, may kapatid yung principal pensioner, dahil wala siyang anak, wala na rin, nauna rin namatay lahat ng kapatid niya because bunso siya. So meaning, wala talagang tatanggap. So pwedeng i-consider sino ang kadugo, very near to the principal pensioner. Pero sa aking palagay, dahil medyo nawala ng mga next of kin na tinatawag, ay maring dadaan sa legal, at ang legal ang magko-consider kung pwede niya pa bang tanggapin yung tinatawag na munis. So ganun yun, So sa lahat ng mga nakakaalam, sa mga kaibigan, kamag-anak na pensioner, namatay yung dalawa, mag-asawa, at wala silang anak, ang may natitira na lang kapatid, so yun ang pwedeng mag-claim, provided may prove mo talaga na kapatid ka. Now, kung wala rin kapatid, dahil nauna na, ay pwede pa rin i-claim ng kadugo. Pero yun ay dadaan siguro sa legal na. Well, hindi ko na itanong nyo na. Maaring pwede kasi nga pamana Walang ibang tatanggap pera niya pera ng kadugo yun So meaning, bahala na yung legal kung pwedeng tanggapin. Kaya inalis na yung term ng differential, ginawang munis kasi nga pamana. So yun lang, kung may marinig, kung i-share nyo ng i-share sa lahat ng grupo natin sa pensioner, para naman makinabang, at saka para malaman nyo, may panoorin nyo to, tapusin yung panonood nito para nakita nyo yung pagbabago ng PGMC, at smooth ang takbo ng PGMC ngayon. Kung may reklamo, siguro wala na siguro reklamo, siguro yung pero very courteous na yung mga personnel sa PGMC. Puro malamig na lahat. Kung may reklamo, iparating sa PGMC. Kung walang ibang paraan, pwede nyo iparating sa akin at ipaparating ko sa kanila. So nagkasundo kami ng PGMC at saka in behalf of the retired, I represent the retired personnel na maayos at mapaganda ang proseso ng ating pensyon. Yun lang at marami pang kasunod at saka para mahaba rin yung papanoorin nyo eh. So uli, sumasaludo ako kay Commodore Cases, napaganda niyang PGMC. Sa mga nakarang commanders, sorry sa mga sinabi ko. Ang gusto ko lang kasi katotohanan. Ang gusto ko lang magandang proseso, mawala na lang tayo sa mundo sa sama pa ng loob. So sorry sa mga kabaraw ko na napagsabihan ko. Hindi ko naman actually na responsibilidad yon, pero bilang isang Pilipino, isang pensioner, pinagpapatuloy ko ang pagserbisyo sa sambayan ng Pilipino. I started my anti-corruption since 2020 during the pandemic. Maraming salamat. Pakinggan nyo ang aming pag-uusap ni General Cases at ng kanyang presentation for the change of PGMC. Pakinggan. Okay, good afternoon. Good morning and good evening. Saan man sulok tayo ng daigdig. Nandito tayo ngayon sa PGMC, Pension Management Reality Center, at kung saan ay magbe-break si Commodore Cases, the commander of the PGMC. So ito yung opisina nila.
Okay tayo, sir?
Okay, okay, good po.
We are honored to have with us Colonel Segundo Metran
Junior.
Junior. Alam mo ba sir yung bisita natin ngayon? Segundo Mentoya Junior.
Ha? Segundo? Okay.
May
Okay.
senior at the US Coast Guard Academy.
So ilan lang pala sila ditong US Coast Guard graduate, ano? Good morning. Sila yung magka-classmate.
He's also visiting me.
Uh-huh.
He's also my client.
Client.
Just like you.
Yes, sir. Okay, good. Yes, sir. Okay. Pakinggan natin.
Thank you for visiting us.
Yes.
I'd like to take this opportunity also to tell you and sa mga followers
Followers ng Vanguard of the North.
yung ginagawa natin
Okay.
sa ating mga veterans. Okay? Dahil
Yes.
ito po yung heart ng aming that's the reason why PGMC exists, because of you.
Yes, thank you.
So,
So makabawi naman ako.
Anissa, at mas maganda kasi na para maiwasan natin yung mga
Haka-haka.
At least alam niyo, by the way, I assume 31 March this year.
Yes.
I'm on my 9th month. And for 9 months, i-share ko po kung ano na ang ginagawa ng AFP-PGs, ano may nagawa, at saka yung mga gagawin pa natin para sa ating mga veterans.
Okay.
Una sa lahat, ako po ay pinalad na makapagtapos sa US Coast Guard Academy.
Yes, eh.
And that is the wealth of experience that I'm bringing here as Chief PGMC.
Thank you.
Because I view, sa US, makita naman natin kung gaano nila ino-honor.
Standard.
Thank you for your service. Dito, parang hindi ko pa na-feel yan.
Ayun, yun na nga. Hinahanap
So,
na.
ngayon, yun ang gusto kong mangyari sana, na mabago yung concept nila sa ating mga nagservisyo sa bayan. Just like you. Sayang naman yung years of service mo, tapos after you retire, parang baliwala na.
More or less 40 years.
Imagine, and next year, I will be retiring September
Yes.
24.
So,
I will have served 39 years, 5 months, and 25 days. So almost four decades of service. Sayang naman yung pag hindi natin napahalagahan yung ating mga veterans. So, it is our commitment. That's why at PGMC, ang motto po natin ng advocacy is service beyond
yes.
retirement.
Yan.
Okay.
Very good.
So,
Maganda marinig.
Ito po, I will show you in July this year, July 22, we launched the HEROES program. HEROES meaning, it's an acronym for helping every retiree obtain enhanced services.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, lahat ng ginagawa nating project dito sa AFP, PGMC are geared toward enhancing the services we give our veterans. Why? Because we treat you as living heroes. Yun ang bagong konsepto namin. Hindi lang yung mga medal for valor, given na yon. Pero yung nagsakripisyo sa bayan. Imagine, 20 years, 30 years, almost 40 years, serving our country, kung minsan nasisira nga yung mga pamilya. Bakit? Nandun tayo sa malalayong lugar. Hindi tayo, we are detached from our families. And yet, when we retire, hindi man lang tayo masabihan na thank
Yes.
you for your service.
Okay, yung
So
maganda yan.
this is our advocacy. We will never forget the sacrifices of our veterans. That's why we launched this. No less than the Chief of Staff. Ganun po ka-importante ang mga veterans kay Chief of Staff General Romeo Saturnino Bronner Jr. Isa lang po ang guidance sa akin when I assume. Sabi niya, Lloyd, take care of our veterans. So pareho po kami. Nakikita ko yung pagmamahal niya. And then next year, he will also be one of our clients. He will also be retiring.
Yeah.
Ganun po kahalaga yung mga veterans sa kanya. Sige, next. So, ito po. Sige, next. Now, I go around personally to different parts of the country, to the major units of our armed forces, to tell them what we are doing, not only for our veterans, which basically are our primary clients, but I also talk to our active. Why do I have to talk to our active personnel? Because I tell them, you don't prepare your retirement 1 year before. Documentary lang yon. But throughout your career, dapat iniisip mo na paano ko mapapaayos yung career ko
Yes.
para pag-retire ko, mai-enjoy ko yung pension. And I tell them 3 things. You see, ilipat mo muna dun sa, yan. I tell the active 3 things. You invest in 3 things in order for you to enjoy your retirement. Kasi pag naka 20 years ka, you can optionally retire. Ibig sabihin, by law, you are considered a veteran. So, number 1, you invest in your soul or invest in your faith. Sabi po ng Desiderata, go placidly amidst the noise, and minememorize namin, nagplebo kami nan eh. Nasa isang linya doon, ang sabi doon, and be at peace with God, whatever you perceive Him to be. Alam niyo po, kung maganda yung relasyon natin, may accountability tayo sa lumikha natin, hindi tayo mangungurap eh. Aayusin natin ang ating
Okay,
servisyo.
thank you.
Aayusin natin ang pakikitungo sa ibang tao. Aayusin natin ang ating pamilya. So
Yes.
number 1, first and foremost, let us invest in our soul. And number 2, I tell the active, you invest in your health. Why? Because pag retire mo, pag inabuso mo yung katawan mo habang nasa active ka, ang nag-i-invest, ang makikinabang hospital, mga doktor, at eventually si St. Peter. Di ba?
Yes.
So in order for us to enjoy our retirement, our hard-earned pension, you take care of your health while you are in the service. Okay? Iwasan mo yung mga bisyo sa katawan. Okay? You invest in sleep, exercise, proper diet. Okay? Basic yan. Okay? And number 3, you invest in your family. I bring my family when I go around the country, encouraging our soldiers, you invest in your family. If you do not invest in your family, pag-retire mo, saan ka uuwi? I've seen stories upon stories. When they retired, wala na silang mauwihan. Why? Because when they were active, they abandoned their families. Masyado magagandang lalaki. Ayun, nung nag-retire sila, wala na mag-aruga sa kanila. That's why I tell them, you invest in your families. Okay? So you invest in your faith, invest in your health, and invest in your family. If you do this, basic yan, you will enjoy your retirement. So I go around the country. This is the former Chief of Staff. I went to the Army. I went to the Marines next. I even went to the Navy. Navy naman ako. I went to the Air Force. I called on General Cordura. This was in Gamu, Isabela. We traveled half a day just to talk to our troops and to our pensioners. See, Albay. Last month, we were in Albay. We were in Pili next. Ito, in Fort Magsaysay. Tuguegarao, Cagayan. Na as far north, this was in Hamindan, 3rd ID. This was in the Naval Operating Base, Subic next. You see, all over. You see, we go all over the country. Viscom next. 6ID in Cotabato. You see? Ganyan po, umiikot po talaga because we need to really show our soldiers and our pensioners that we are sincere with our advocacy. Medyo nakakapagod po, sa totoo lang. Pero yung makadaupang palad ko po yung mga tulad ninyo, and then they can dialogue with me. They appreciate me going down to them. And ako, sabi ko, huwag po kayo mag-alala. Next year, kasama niyo na po ako. Okay, next. September 20, we conducted the first veteran picture. Okay, dito sa Camp Aguinaldo. This is just a manifestation, one of the initiatives that ANP-PGNC has done to honor pensioners. You see, ito, next, ito, in-honor natin yung ating mga veterans. Pinapakita po natin sa sambayan ng Pilipino, wag nating kakalimutan ang ating mga nagserbisyo sa bayan. Because I believe a great nation honors their heroes. Sige po, next. Just last week, 10 December, we had the Pensyohan Pasko. This is a one-day fair for the veterans. So napakasaya po, no less than Vice Admiral Ferdinand Solis Goles, the former flag officer in the Navy, as our guest of honor speaker. And he was very happy talking to our veterans during this event. So we are very fortunate. Marami pong sumuporta, mga financial institutions, Meralco, the outpouring of support. You know, marami pong mga gustong sumuporta sa atin at sumusuporta. Next. Alright, as far as enhancing pension services go. Okay, ito po, I need to inform our dear pensioners. Ito po, game changer ito. Last week, 12 December, we launched the PGMC app. Ito po yung mapapadali ang inyong pag-update. Hindi na po kayo tatawag na katagal-tagal tapos walang sumasagot dahil napakadaming volume. At you know, you have to accept it. Iilan lamang po ang personnel ko. Hindi po sa hindi namin kayo, ayaw namin kayong sagutin. Talagang nabibilaukan po kayo. Pero dahil dito sa app, by the way, this is in-house. Kinreate po ito ng isang team namin led by our Chief ng Information System, Major Israel Sokerata. Ito po'y napakaganda. Walang masyadong ginastos ang gobyerno to create this app. We have great talents in the armed forces. We just really have to know how to tap them. And this one, pag mapadali na po, napakadali, in less than a minute, pwede ka na mag-update. Hindi ka na kailangan maghintay ng katagal-tagal. Okay? Pag bumagsak po yan, updating nyo sa amin, ibabangga lang po namin sa Pension Management Information System. And when we are sure that it's really you updating, you will get a message, "Dear Pen, congratulations pensioner, you are now updated." Very short time. We cut so many red tape doing this. Kaya excited po ako. We will have this already by first quarter next year. So namin para makapag-sign in. You just have to download the app, Android. After 6 months, we will shift to iPhone. Android lang po muna tayo. But definitely, this is a game changer. Okay? Mapapadali na po ang updating, especially those abroad. I know, I receive a lot of complaints, a lot of requests from our pensioners abroad. My dear pensioners, wherever you are, with this app, mapapadali na po. And kung may mga concerns kayo, meron rin part dyan. Yung aming cares section. Kung ano mga question nyo, sasagutin po namin yan. Okay? Next. You know, one of the initiatives PGMC has been into is to strengthen our partnership with our stakeholders. Last week, 10 December, nagpirmahan na po kami ng to go, yung mga sa barko. Okay? Ako po ay sumulat sa kanila. At nakipagkita po. Ako am very honored to be met by the President mismo, Mr. Frederick Dibuncio of Togo. At sinabi ko po kay Mr. Dibuncio, "Sir, baka naman po pwede nyo i-extend yung discounts niyo sa ating mga veterans. Kasi po binibigyan nyo ng discount yung mga active natin. Pagdating ng 60 years old dual citizen, senior citizen na, may discount pa rin. Ang nakakaligtaan po natin, sir, sabi ko, yung naka 20 years ng service, and by law, you are already considered a veteran. Ibig sabihin, nasa PGMC payroll na kita. Hanggang 59 years old. At pina-check ko po, that's about 27,000 of our more than 140,000 pensioners. Now, you include their dependents of this 27,000, about 11,000. So, 38,000. Ito po ang neglected sector natin na hindi natin nabibigyan man lamang ng discount. Bakit hindi po natin sila mabigyan man lang ng discount? Kung pwede lang po. Anyway, sir, sabi ko, hindi naman po sabay-sabay na sasakay ng barko yan. But if we give that to our veterans, we are giving a strong signal. Malaki ang impact yan sa ating sambayanang Pilipino. Why? Yung mga veterans hindi natin kinakalimutan. Naaalala natin sila. We are giving them perks, favor for their service to our country. And not only that, that even goes beyond the veteran. This is an encouragement of patriotism to our younger generation. Why? Pag nung bata, ganda pala magserbisyo sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Kasi kahit na-retired na sila, meron pa rin silang benefits na makukuha. See, kita, yan po yung mga ginagawa. What else? Okay? Yan po yung signing. Ito, balik mo. Ito, ayan yung si Mr. Frederick De Buncio. Ito, Mr. Frederick De Buncio and his team. This is Lieutenant General Roy de Veraturda. And then si Sir Toins Valencia. And then, ito rin, Major General Valenzuela. Sige, next. Ito po, yung mga benefits na 20% on all to go. May group discount for families of 5, 10% discount on domestic cargo nationwide. Dati po, zero, wala. Ngayon, dahil ikaw veteran, ipapakita mo lang iyong unified ID. Meron ka na. Sige, next. Okay? Sige. May marami pa sila. Familiarization trips. Meron na business to go pa. Napakaraming. In fact, sinabi sa akin, yung mga veterans natin, kung may business, ito, pwede lang gamitin. Yung mga products mo sa area, dalhin sa Manila. Yung Manila, nasa bali mo sa... Imagine, they will provide that opportunity. Next. Rangay Eco Adventure and Resort, Rizal, Kalinga, napakaganda po doon. Imagine, service po natin ito. Nag-offer po ng 20% discount on accommodation regardless of the number. Kahit na isang batalyon barangay kayong pumunta dito, 20% discount.
Saan area?
Rizal, Kalinga po.
Rizal, Kalinga.
Ilang beses na po ako nakapunta dito, napakaganda po. Marami po siyang bearing ng kanyang, nag-world shoot po doon. Kasi meron siya maraming 18 bay, kung di ako magkakamali na firing range. Napakaganda. Okay? Ito, 20% discount. Next. We also engage the Department of Tourism. You say, last one, why? Kasi sila yung nag-oversee ng mga resorts, hotels, theme parks. Bakit naman sabi ko, baka naman po, since kayo po ang nag-oversee lahat, baka naman po pwede natin mag-extend sa ating mga veterans yung ating mga perks. So, very welcome po. We are right now crafting the MOA between the AFP and Department of Tourism. Okay? So, and as a testament of this, last, yung Filipino brand of, imagine, last 11, yung Filipino brand of service, FBSE, kinakandak po yan ng DOT. We had this here, this very hall, December 11, okay? First time in the AFP. So makikita niyo po, naka-align din tayo sa gusto ng national government. Yung mga hotel natin ngayon, pag sinabing mabuhay, ganyan po ang ano ngayon, yung Love the Philippines. Dati, wow, Philippines. Ngayon, Love the Philippines. Yan po ang adikain ng Department of Tourism. What else? Okay, nag-partner rin po tayo sa Veterans Federation of the Philippines para lalo natin we think of ways to help our veterans. Next. Yan po yung Veterans Federation of the Philippines. Next. Meralco, yan, CICC, he showed the picture. Ito po. Next. Ayan. Si Lieutenant General Alcantara, siya po ang head ng Philippine Center for Transnational Crime. Nakipag-engage rin po tayo doon para maiwasan, maprotektahan rin yung ating mga veterans sa mga transnational crimes. Next. Ito, bago rin to. May mga nag-request sa atin ng OJT kasi nakita nila, wow, tinulungan po tayo ng mga brilliant students to profile our pensioners. Kasi kung konti yung ating mga personnel, sila, willing naman sila, ayusin nila kasi grade ang nakasalalay. And they will be very helpful to us. Next. Okay. Sa mga veterans po na hindi pa nakakabisita, bumisita po kayo dito sa APP-GMC. Napakalaking improvement po. Sige, let me show you. Ito po, kinakatayuan natin where we're doing the briefing. Ito po ay pinagawa po ng Aguinaldo Veterans Association, AVA. Ito. Imagine. Okay, next. Yun naman pantry po dun sa likod. Ginawa naman ng tinulungan tayo ng PN Sly at saka ng Ilobank. Next. Ito yung pinuntahan ko kanina sa CR. World class na po.
Okay.
Bagong. Thanks to ACBI. Next. Ito po, kung nakita nyo dun sa altar, hindi po ganyan yan. Pinaayos po ito ng Veterans Bank. At kung makikita nyo po, itong dalawang space dito, these are for our veterans na medyo mahirapan na. Meron na po tayong
Special.
naka-duty doon. Na pag nag-hazard kayo at nakaparada doon, kayo na po ang lalapitan. Para hindi na kayo
Okay.
mahirapan na pumunta dito. Okay,
Take
next.
note.
Next. Okay. Ito, nung 12, nung Friday, in-inaugurate natin yung Heroes Lounge. Pakita mo yung Heroes Lounge.
Kuya, press mo yung hero. Hindi, press mo yun.
Ayan, panoorin niyo po. Lakas mo.
Transformation requires
Atras mo muna. Para makakaya.
Para masimulan.
Lakasan mo.
Transformation requires vision, but more importantly, it requires partners who share that vision. Through the generous support and partnership of the Armed Forces and Police Savings and Loans Association, Incorporated, Association of Lending Investors for Pensioners, City Savings Bank, and the Chief of Staff of Armed Forces of the Philippines, this vision became a reality. They understood that investing in this facility was investing in the welfare of every Filipino soldier and their families. Month by month, layer by layer, we rebuilt. Not just to fix the structure, but to build a better experience. Welcome to the new face of service, a revitalized facility designed for comfort. A streamlined environment where transactions are smoother and waiting time feels lighter. From the modern receiving area to the upgraded processing counters, every corner was renovated with our pensioners in mind. This renovation is our way of saying thank you. A modern home for our modern heroes. We are the AFP-PGMC, service beyond retirement.
So makita niyo po, mamaya sa itutur kita doon. Ma-appreciate mo kung matindi ang pinagbago. We started the construction May 10. Thanks to APSLY, the Chief of Staff, General Omet Browner, ALIP, yung Association of Lending Investors for Pensioners, 8 companies po yan, City Savings Bank, and tumulong din po yung Naval Construction Brigade para ma-Thailand, and then ongoing pa po yung iba. So, napakarami nagtulong-tulong para magkaroon po tayo. Next. So, our way ahead. I'd like also to show you what we have in store for the coming year 2026. Okay? So, we will continue the implementation of the Heroes Program. We will continue to strengthen our digital system. Kasi na-launch na natin. What we need right now is to tell our pensioners, massive information drive para mag-shift na tayo. Hindi na kayo mahirapan sa pagtatawag dito, mapapadali. Siyempre, may birth pains yan. Pero when you get used to it, napakadali na ng system. Okay? And then we will continue. Marami pa tayong hindi napuntahan. Marami na sir, kailan kayo bibisita sa amin? Mga mista ko, Bok, kailan kayo bibisita sa nakikita na nila. This is very good for their personnel. It's also good for our pensioners. You see, kung mahaba-haba pa lang ako, iikutan ko po lahat yan. Okay? And then we will continue to improve our facilities because, at the end of the day, ang magtatrabaho dito, yung mga personnel ko po, sila yung, kahit na bumagbagyo po dito, wala pong bakasyon dito. Kasi pag may pumunta ng pensioner, makikita niya po, kahit na holiday, talaga naman pauwiin namin yung mga pensioners.
Thank you. Yan ang kailangan.
Ako po personally nababagbag yung aking kalooban eh. Damdami, bakit? Yung mga staff ko, na-imbibe na nila yung service beyond retirement. I kid you not. They are here. Hindi namin pinapauwi yan. Sabi ko, let's deal with their problems. Let's deal with their concerns. Because we are sincere with what we are doing. Sige. So with that, sir,
Thank
I
you.
hope na enlighten namin kayo. And we will keep doing this, improving. Your suggestions, I can assure you, at least during my watch, PGMC is very transparent and we are committed to serving our veterans. Sir June Metran, thank you very much for visiting us.
My contemporary. Thank you. Ito yung mga personnel. Oh, yung aking Sari Major. Nagsama kami niyan. Sari Major. Samar. Then your XO. Nagsama kami 7ID.
Okay.
Oh, J1. J1 ano? Oh, J1. Oh, J3
Ito po
ako.
ang panganay kong anak.
I see. Oo.
Ate Sarah.
Panganay.
Bless ka kayo dito.
Okay. Thank you.
Then yun, aking bunso.
Ay.
Dalawa lang po sila.
Oy.
David, mas matangkad na po siya. 30 years old.
Ay, kay edad ng anak ko ah. Ay, nakalika nga.
Ayan yan. And they are
Yan,
both
ka.
swimmers.
Halika lang.
They are both
Oh,
swimmers.
13 years old rin.
Ayun.
Kami
Ilan,
ka doon sa
sir?
kan.
Ilan anak mo?
Bunso ko rin to, bunso.
Ilan anak mo, sir?
4. Kuya, chikahan kayo, 13 years parehas. Ay, sige, kulang ko yung tatlo. The children of the veteran. Okay, the children of the veteran. Okay. Thank you.
Ilipat mo nga doon sa ano? Okay. Pasok po. Lahat.
Mas na-time pa. So,
Sir, ilang year po niyan, sir? Hindi na naman siya pinapagsa. Tapos dito na sa yung information system natin. Tapos dito na sa yung case, kung may mga problema sila, mahinanakit sila.
Ay, yes.
Ganyan na sir yung ano.
Pero mawala na siguro ang inanakit because ginawa niya na ng paraan.
Lahat na din sa lahat. Tapos, dito sa may
Okay.
free flowing coffee lang. By that time. Dito sir.
Ma-sustain niya
Dito sir. True ano sir, true donation.
donation.
Parang maglagay lang kami ng box, you may donate or not, para at least tulos-tulos yung
Donation.
Oo, sir.
Kaya ang tanong ko agad masustain ba natin? Kasi granat ng operation. Pag sa
Kaya
operation
nga,
maraming budget eh.
Oo.
Pag dito,
Yung umpisa siguro sir, yun, tapos yung may maghulog ba 5 piso yan or wala, di okay lang sir. Basta may magbigay, di okay lang.
Oo.
Kami naman sir, pag umuwi kami.
pero maganda siguro sa mga pensioner kahit 5 piso makadagdag dun sa ibang kasama natin.
Paano?
Medyo, pag maluwag, 10 piso, 15, okay lang yun. Para maluwag. Para nakakatulong tayo no, sa mga malalayo. Tsaka yung kinakapos na talaga.
Dito sir, yung umupuan natin, yung ipapayos ko, papalagyan ko sir ng goma para mailagay. Ganito sir magiging heroes, pensioners lounge, parang diyan sila magkain-kain, kape-kape.
So, paano nyo? Liga silang...
Tapos, ito sir magiging siya sir, may aircon din.
Ha? May aircon, sir? Ano, aircon?
Oo.
Ay, alam ko may aircon mo lang eh.
Ayun sir, may aircon din.
Oo. Okay. Kuwan mo nga na. Oh, may aircon din pala, oh.
Ilaw, pabuksan na ba yung ilaw?
Uy! Parang nasa mall na tayo na ito, ah. Ha? Lalaki.
Pina-close lang namin sir at nag-ano sir eh.
Medyo may kulang.
Nagkaroon ng problem doon sa paggawa. Nahulog yung salamin. Kaya pinaka-WC, babae, lalaki, may dedicate na
Kaya nga,
Kaya may ba sir, pwede na itong wala silang mapuntahan dyan. Gusto nila magpahinga. Aba, mauubo sila